What if I told you that some of the strongest moves in business aren't the flashy ones in the center, but the long, quiet strategies working from the edges? In chess, bishops cut across the board with speed and precision. They don't dominate the center directly, but they shape the game from a distance. In business, bishops are your long-range plays, your vision, positioning, and scalability. They may not pay off today, but if you place them right, they change the entire future of your company. Before we go deeper, comment this if you agree. Vision is the weapon of the strategist. Concept 1, vision, seeing beyond the present. Bishops remind us of the power of vision. In business, vision isn't about today's sale. It's about where your company will stand in 3, 5, or even 10 years. Most entrepreneurs are trapped in the pawn mindset, chasing the next client, the next invoice. But visionaries, they place their bishops early. They align decisions today with the empire they want tomorrow. From my 20-plus years in project management and business intelligence, I've seen this truth. Companies without vision plateau fast. Companies with long-range strategy, they expand effortlessly because every move compounds toward a clear direction. If this resonates with you, type in the comments. I play for the long game. Concept 2, positioning and focus. Here's another lesson from bishops. They stay on one color. A bishop that starts on a white square will always remain on white. It never changes. That's positioning. In business, your brand and value proposition must stay consistent. If you start as the affordable option, own that lane. If you start as the luxury option, protect that lane. Confusion kills brands just like misaligned bishops weaken your defense. Think of Apple. They stayed in the lane of premium design and ecosystem. Think of Walmart. They stayed in the lane of affordability and accessibility. Bishops teach us, choose your lane and stick to it. Wandering back and forth confuses customers and destroys trust. If this hits home, comment below. Clarity beats confusion. Concept 3, scalability. The power of angles. Unlike pawns, bishops control long diagonals. That's scalability. A small move early on, a bishop developed at the right time, can open massive influence later in the game. In business, scalability works the same way. Maybe it's building a distribution channel, investing in automation, or refining a customer acquisition system. At first, the impact looks small, but as your business grows, those angles reach further and further, touching every part of the board. Here's the data-backed truth. Scalable systems, not brute effort, separate businesses that grow 2 times from those that grow 20 times. If you're building scalable systems today, drop this in the comments. My systems create my scale. Let's make this actionable. On your Creative Minds Nano Business Market Map worksheet. 1. Mark your bishops. These are your long-range plays, vision statements, branding decisions, scalable systems. 2. Circle your positioning. Ask yourself, am I clear and consistent in my value proposition, or am I switching colors too often? 3. Draw your diagonal. Project one of today's small strategic moves forward. Where will it reach in 6 months, 12 months, 3 years? That's how you see like a bishop. Long range, precise, and how strategic. And if you're ready to download the worksheet, type I want in the comments and we'll send it to you. Let's land the plane. The bishops are visionaries. They see the board not for what it is, but for what it can become. In chess, bishops dominate diagonals. In business, vision, positioning, and scalability dominate markets. Here's the takeaway. Don't just fight for the next move. Build a vision, own your lane, and design for scale. That's how empires are built. If this episode gave you value, don't stop here. Episode 5 is about the rooks, the towers of stability and structure in business. Without them, even the best vision collapses. Subscribe, drop your thoughts in the comments, and remember, vision is the weapon of the strategist.